Hey guys, it's Eric here at Farpoint Mowers and More. Murray, I've been looking for these and I found them, the 2026 Murray lineup here at Home Depot in Tennessee. They got two models on display here, the MT100, which is here, and the MT200 there. Price wise, $1,999 for the 100, $2,199 for the 200. We're going to take a quick look at them. Both do have stamped decks. Both do have decent tires. Interesting choice. They did not color match the paint on the 100 series, so the frame there, or that part of it, is black. This part here is gray on the 200, so I guess you get color match on that. Seats look about the same on these. The 100 sports an E1350 single cylinder Briggs & Stratton engine. That's a good motor, and the fuel tank up front here. And the 200 sports the EX 1900, also a single cylinder but a larger engine, I believe. I think that's 19 horsepower. Yeah, 19. Now let's go here. I'll see if we can take a look at the dash. These cars, they're jammed in here. All right, so we do have a park brake, mow in reverse, and our key switch there with our throttle control. No hour meter on the 200 or on the 100. This one, the 200, is automatic for neutral reverse, and on this side, blade and gauge manual and deck height. This one here has speeds. It is a manual transmission. Other than that, though, the controls on this side are also the same, and no difference here on this layout. Gas tank up front, battery in the back. That's actually a really nice battery too, with a little green dot to let you know how it's coming along. Both of these are, I believe, are 42. Let me see. I think that one's. Yeah, both these are 42 inch. Both of them come with. This one here's got a manual, I think 7-speed in it, and that's actually capable of doing some groundwork. This one will have the K46. That is not really recommended, but the tail end of this is compatible with Craftsman, Sears, and Husqvarna sleeve hitch attachments. So you can do that, but you have to be a little cautious on that. I think they're good looking. I think this is the new going price. They have several of them, but just those two different models, the 100s and the 200s. Not a bad looking front end on it. I think kind of looks aggressive. So I like it. Until next time, my friends, take care.